Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about applying the normal curve concepts in problem solving. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you will find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please don't skip the ads for this video. Thanks! And now, let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about applying the normal curve concepts in problem solving. Example 1. The result of the nationwide aptitude tests in mathematics are normally distributed with mean or mu, population mean equals 80, and standard deviation equals 15. Find the row score such that 70% of the cases are below it. So the cases that are 70% below is 30% that is above it. So for the solution, we have 30%. So 30% is equal to 0.3000. Okay? So we will transform this 30% into a decimal form. So magiging 0.3000 siya for decimal places. Pwede rin 2, pero mas mainam na 4 decimal places because if you still remember in our previous lesson, using the two-tailed z-test distribution, or z-score distribution, I mean, 4 decimal places yung kanyang mga area. So, to determine the area, we have 0.5000 as our first number. It is constant. Nasa formula siya. Minus 0.3000 for the 30% bill above it. So, we have 0.2000. So, using the two-tailed z-score distribution table, hahanapin mo yung 0.2000 and naituro ko na kung paano gawin yon. So, ngayon, exactly 0.2000 wala tayong makikita. So, hanapin natin ngayon yung dalawang numbers or area na mas malapit sa 0.2000. At yon ay 0.1985. Malapit siya sa 2,000, right? So, ngayon, ang kanyang z ay 0.52. To check this, okay, so we will use this. So, we have 0.52. 0.52 ang pinakamalapit, okay, that is 1985. At ang pangalawa naman is 0.2019. So, nasa pagitan ng dalawang yan si 0.2000. Tama? 0.2000. Okay. Now, ang dalawang z-score na makukuha natin, ang dalawang z-score na makukuha natin is 0.52. Okay, 0.52, ayan. 0.5 tsaka 0.02, and then 0.5 tsaka 0.03. I-add natin si 0.52 at tsaka si 0.53 divided by 2, the answer is 0.525. So, yun na ang ating z-score. Okay, so balikan natin ang ating problem. So, ang ating z-score na nakuha is 0.525. Given ang mga ito, 80, 15, at z. So, ang hinahanap natin ngayon ay yung mean. Okay? The sample mean. So, given the sigma, 80, standard deviation, 15, and z equals 0.525, ito ang formula natin. Z equals mean minus mu over sigma. Naituro ko na rin to sa inyo about computing the z-score. So, or ganito yung formula niya kung gagawin natin siya or isusulat natin siya, that is mean, okay, minus mu all over sigma, which is the population standard deviation. So we will just substitute the given to the formula. So we have 0.525 equals x minus 80 over 15. Now, for the continuation, we have this one. So, ililipat natin yung 15. I mean, i-cross-multiply natin yung 15 kay 0.525. And that is 15 times 0.525 equals x minus 80. Multiply the two, so we have 7.875 equals x minus 80. Transpose negative 80 to become positive 80 equals x. And finally, we have 87.875 as our mean or the sample mean. So, using this, the mean is 80. Yun yung gitna natin. Okay, the population mean. And then, the standard deviation is 15. Ibig sabihin, bawat score, meron silang pagitan na 15. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng standard deviation. So, for our answer na nakuha kanina, sabi, that's the 30%. Okay? 30% and that is the 70%. Yung nasa pagitan ng 30 and 70%, that is what we call the 0.525 kanina na z-score. Okay? Or the mean, which is equal to 87.875. Okay? So that's the mean. Ito yung mean natin. The population, the sample mean. This is the population mean. Okay? Now, example number 2. The result of the nationwide aptitude test in mathematics are normally distributed. Ito, another na naman ito. We have 70, 5, and find the raw score such as the 60% of the cases are below it. So we have 60% and 40% above it. So yung 40% ang isa-solve natin, that's equal to 0.4,000. So minus 0.5,000, you will have 0.1,000. Again, you cannot have exactly 0.1,000. So using the two-tailed z-test distribution table that I presented to you in our previous video, you will have 0.25 as the first one na mas malapit sa 0.1000, which is 0.0987. And then of course the z-score that is higher than 0.1000 but nearer to 0.1000 is 0.26 for the z-score. And add the two, 0.25 plus 0.26, that's equal to 0.255. I mean, the sum will be divided by 2 and that's equal to 0.255. Okay, now, write the given and then using this formula, so distribute. Okay. So, for instance, na distribute na natin, so nilipat, kinross multiply ko na si 5, and then 5 times 0.255, we have 1.25 equals x minus 70, lipat si 70, then i-add mo siya kay 1.275, I'm sorry, that is 1.275, am I right? Let me check. 5 times 0.255 equals 0.275, correct. So that is 1.275. I'm sorry. That's 1.275. So there's 7 here. Plus 70. And that is 71.275. So that's the mean. Okay? Another example. The result of the nationwide aptitude test in the mathematics are normally distributed with the population mean of 80 and standard deviation of 15. What are the scores bound? To the middle. So we're looking for the middle, 95% of the distribution. So we are looking for the middle 95% of the distribution. So this is the middle and that 95%. So ibig sabihin, merong dalawang meron dito na 2.5%, okay? So 2.5% each. That's equal to 5% on the side. But the middle daw is 95%. So ngayon, that's 2.5% is equal to 0.0250. So ganun pa na yung gagawin natin. Minus natin siya ng 5,000. And we will have 0.4750. Luckily, meron siyang exact z-score. And that is 1.96. So ibig sabihin 1.96 daw yung z na nandiyan. Okay? Now to find the mean, the sample mean, so we have this one, the given. So we have positive 1.96 and negative 1.96 kasi nasa middle siya. So if we will look at the table, diba, these are negative signs and then dito naman are positive signs, diba? So ayan. Then we will solve it using the formula. So we have 1.96 equals x minus 80 over 15. Cross multiply. So we have this one and then multiply 15 times 1.96. We have 29.4 equals x minus 80. Transpose negative 80. So we have positive 80 and then add the 2. We will have 109.4 which is equal to x. Another, we have negative 1.96. So again, cross multiply. So you will have negative 29.4 equals x minus 80. So transpose 80, that will become negative 29.4 plus 80 equals x. Then subtract the two because they don't have the same sign. So we have, what's the answer? Okay, the answer is 50.6, no? Hindi ko na ilagay, sorry. So the answer is 50.6. Okay. So the score is bound on 109.4 and 50.6 mean. So yun yung mga mean na nasa dulo ng 95%, no? So ayan, okay? So the scores, we have 1.96 and negative 1.96. Kung titingnan natin yan, ayan yung ano niya, di ba? Ayan. So that's the mean. Okay, and that's those are 2.5% both, and the middle is 95%. Okay, so that's all about for our topic, applying the normal curve concepts in problem solving. With that, thank you very much for your listening.